If you've been searching for a Linux distribution that feels incredibly polished right out of the box, the kind of operating system you could hand to a complete tech novice without them feeling lost, Big Linux might be the hidden gem you're looking for. This powerhouse originates from Brazil and has been under continuous development since 2004. With over 22 years of refinement behind it, the 2026 release is hands down its best iteration yet. In this video, we're doing a deep dive into Big Linux. We'll cover its architecture, the installation process, the desktop environment, its massive software ecosystem, and whether it deserves a spot on your machine. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to help us push more content to the global tech community. Let's get into it. The origins and architecture. So, what is the story behind Big Linux? It's a completely free, open-source project originally created by Bruno Goncalves, back when the concept started taking shape around 2001. Over the years, its underlying framework evolved, starting as a remaster of the classic Kuruman, moving to Kubuntu, shifting to Deepin, and finally landing on a Manjaro base in 2021. What this means for you under the hood is an incredible three-layer cake. You get the cutting-edge speed of Arch Linux, the stabilizing filters of Manjaro, and Big Linux's unique optimization tools baked right on top. By default, the system ships with the gorgeous KDE Plasma 6 desktop environment, though community spins are available for GNOME, XFC, and Cinnamon. The rolling release model, you never have to deal with giant, disruptive version upgrades or clean reinstalls. You just update your packages and stay on the absolute latest software indefinitely. The project's core motto is "in search of the perfect system," and after living with it, you can tell the devs take that promise seriously. The Calamara's installation workflow getting started is completely frictionless. Big Linux boots as a live ISO, meaning you can load the entire operating system directly from a flashing utility like Ventoy or Balena Etcher onto a USB drive. You get to play with the system before committing a single byte to your hard drive. If you decide to take the plunge, the desktop installer is driven by the highly intuitive Calamara's framework. The setup starts with a clean language selection matrix, supporting 29 different languages out of the box, ensuring worldwide accessibility. From there, the workflow is dead simple. Select your time zone, pick a keyboard configuration, format your partition layout, set up your local user account, and you're good to go. There are no convoluted terminal commands or dense manuals required here. On a modern solid-state drive, the entire installation wraps up in under 10 minutes. Once you reboot, an incredibly welcoming onboarding wizard greets you to guide you through your initial system choices. Desktops in one click. This onboarding phase is where Big Linux truly shows off its flexibility. Right from the start, the system lets you toggle between 6 distinct interface configurations: Classic, New, Modern, KUnity, NextG, and Desk. These aren't just superficial theme swaps, they completely reconfigure your panels, docks, application menus, and window behavior. Selecting Classic serves up a traditional Windows-style taskbar at the bottom of the screen, while switching to NextG instantly deploys a clean MacOS-style dock environment. Other modes offer floating docks and minimal setups that look incredibly sleek. You can jump between these layouts in real time, and the transition happens instantaneously. Everything is driven by the proprietary Big Linux Control Center, which uses an in-house rendering engine called Big Base View. This centralized dashboard lets you swap layouts, customize color palettes, manage wallpapers, and adjust system internals completely graphically. You never have to touch a command line interface. The animations are buttery smooth, KDE Plasma 6 responds beautifully, and the entire ecosystem feels deliberately designed rather than thrown together multi-kernel. Switching and cross-distro app support. Let's talk about what's powering this beautiful interface. Big Linux includes multiple kernel profiles right out of the box, catering to different performance needs. You get the XanMod kernel, which is highly tuned for desktop multitasking, the low-latency TKG kernel, optimized specifically for gaming, and the Amber kernel, which is an LTS branch built for pure stability. Swapping between these kernels is a simple one-click affair inside the control center. 0 terminal skills required. Package management is where this distro turns into a Swiss Army knife. While its core foundation uses Arch's native Pacman utility, it features native integration for the Arch user repository, Flatpaks, snaps, and app images. But here is the real kicker. Big Linux features an automated package converter for .eb and RPM files. This means you can take software packaged exclusively for Debian or Red Hat systems and install it seamlessly on this Arch-based distro. It also ships with Java pre-configured, meaning legacy applications run without any extra hand-wringing. Everything is tied together by the Big Store, a gorgeous software center that categorizes apps beautifully and lets you download tools with a single-click memory efficiency and ZSTD background compression when sitting idle on the desktop. The system pulls roughly 1 to 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, which is incredibly lightweight for a fully loaded KDE Plasma 6 configuration. In daily use, the desktop feels lightning fast, application launches are instantaneous, and window management never stutters, even on hardware configurations dating back to 2007A. Huge driver behind this performance is the system-wide integration of ZSTD compression. Big Linux transparently compresses every single file on your storage drive in the background. You won't notice any performance degradation or UI changes, but you'll suddenly find yourself with significantly more free disk space without having to buy a secondary drive. Bulletproof rollbacks and frictionless gaming system stability is backed up by an automated backup routine. Timeshift comes pre-configured from the jump, automatically capturing daily system snapshots and storing them for a rolling 5-day window. If a major update goes sideways or you accidentally break a system setting, you simply open Timeshift, click on yesterday's snapshot, and restore your system in minutes. It completely eliminates the anxiety of running a rolling release operating system. For gaming, the out-of-the-box setup is unmatched. Steam and Lutris are pre-installed, and the Heroic Games Launcher is right there to handle your Epic Games, GOG, and Amazon Prime libraries. Crucially, all the necessary Proton compatibility layers are pre-configured in the background. You just log into your accounts, download your library, and start playing. It's easily one of the most frictionless gaming experiences on Linux today. On the productivity front, LibreOffice comes fully loaded with advanced spell checking, deep spreadsheet utilities, and built-in PDF support, featuring native OCR to make scanned text instantly searchable. Built-in web apps, AI filtering, and smartphone sync. Beyond the basics, Big Linux is packed with advanced features that usually require hours of manual setup on other distributions. Take web apps, for example. The system comes preloaded with standalone web containers for Netflix, Discord, WhatsApp, Spotify, and Deezer. These open in isolated browser sandboxes, meaning they behave like desktop apps but use a fraction of the RAM consumed by typical Electron-based apps. You can even turn any custom website into a web app in seconds. Using the control center. Audio management is another standout feature. Big Linux includes an automated system-wide microphone noise filter. Whether you're jumping onto a Discord call or recording audio, the system instantly suppresses background noise, barking dogs, traffic, and mechanical keyboard clicks without you configuring a single audio plugin. For connectivity, RustDesk comes pre-installed, offering open-source encrypted remote desktop access to your PC from anywhere in the world without relying on third-party corporate servers. You also get KDE Connect, which integrates your Android device or iPhone directly into your desktop. It allows you to use your phone as a wireless trackpad, share clipboards instantly, transfer files wirelessly, and interact with phone notifications right from your monitor. Waydroid integration and context menu hacks. If you want to take mobile integration further, Waydroid is available inside the control center, enabling you to run native Android mobile apps directly inside your Linux environment with a single click. Finally, the right-click context menu inside the file manager is an absolute power user dream. If you right-click a video file, you can transcode it to another format on the spot. Right-click an image, and you can resize it, rotate it, generate a GIF, add a border, or extract text from it using built-in OCR. You can even run OCR on a locked PDF file to make it completely searchable, all without ever launching a dedicated third-party app. The disadvantages to keep in mind. While Big Linux is incredibly powerful, there are 3 main caveats you need to keep in mind before converting your main machine. Because this is a Brazilian project, certain deeply buried settings, particularly inside the advanced hardware and driver manager screens, are still written in Portuguese. It won't break your workflow, but you might occasionally run into an untranslated menu toggle second, because it pulls from Manjaro's rolling release branch. Updates roll in large batches. While the Timeshift backup system acts as a safety net, rolling updates always carry a micro risk of minor software quirks. Third, while the community surrounding Big Linux is exceptionally passionate, it is smaller than mainstream giants like Ubuntu. The vast majority of troubleshooting discussions on their official forums and Telegram groups happen in Portuguese, so getting deep technical support in English can sometimes take a bit longer. Lastly, keep an eye on hardware specs. While 1.5 gigabytes of idle RAM usage is perfect for any computer built in the last decade. If you are revived a legacy machine with only 2 gigabytes of total memory, you'll want to opt for a much lighter desktop environment. Summary and outro. So, what is the final verdict on Big Linux? If you are looking for an operating system that completely eliminates post-install setup fatigue, giving you office productivity, streamlined gaming, sandboxed web applications, remote desktop support, and advanced file conversion context menus out of the box, Big Linux is a premier contender. Its 22-year development history shines through in every corner of the UI. This isn't a hasty weekend project. It's a desktop experience sculpted over decades by developers who deeply care about user convenience. For a Windows refugee, it is an incredibly welcoming bridge. And for seasoned Linux users, the full unbridled power of the Arch user repository is sitting right under the hood whenever you unlock it. The official download link is waiting for you in the description. Grab the ISO and test it out in live mode first, without changing a thing on your hard drive. Thank you so much to our channel members for keeping these deep dives possible. Your support is the backbone of this channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you found this review helpful, and I will see you all in the next video.